Hi there, Matt here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video run through of our 2019 E53 AMG Premium Plus we have new in stock. This E53 is finished in the optional Designo Diamond White Metallic paint. You've also got the AMG Night package as an added optional feature. That gets you the 20-inch 5 twin-spoke black painted alloy wheels with the diamond turned finish. You also get the gloss black trim elements on the front splitter, the attachments on the lower half of the front bumper, the grille insert in gloss black. You get the mirror housings in gloss black, the window capings and window surrounds. Also you get privacy glass, and then you get the rear diffuser surround in gloss black, as well as the dark chrome tailpipe finishers, all part of the AMG Night package. On the interior, you've got the comfort package as an added optional feature. That gets you the air body control with the multi-chamber air suspension, and you get the full Napa leather upholstered interior. You've also got the air balance fragrance dispenser as a standard feature coming with the comfort package, as well as the energizing comfort control. You can see in the glove compartment here, you've got the fragrance dispenser. You've got the AMG Premium Plus package, which gets you the full electric functions with the memory settings available on the door cards. You get the Burmester surround sound system, the keyless go function, the wireless charging and connection via Bluetooth, also the panoramic sliding sunroof, and the 360 overview camera and ambient lighting. You do have a whole host of features as well as standard. For example, your infotainment controls here. You've got start-stop technology, dynamic driving modes, the open pore Ashwood inlay, your dual zone climate control functions, and the full LCD display running from behind the steering wheel all the way across until the center console. If you'd like any more information or would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this E53 AMG Premium Plus, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.